How to make a flavorful masala chai. Add 1.5 cups of water. Crush 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, and 1 clove. Once the water boils, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and add the crushed spices. Add a cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of ginger. You can also use ginger pieces. 1 teaspoon of sugar, which you can adjust to taste. 2 black tea bags, a half cup of whole milk. Whole milk is best for this recipe. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.